I just got back from Vegas yesterday. I had no idea there was going to be a windstorm today, but it's crazy. It kept us up all night and now there's stuff everywhere. Take a look. All kinds of destruction. You know what, let's go drive around and see what we can find. Bales is pooping in a windstorm. Your poop's gonna blow away, Bales, watch out. Look at that mess. It's crazy. Come on, back out. Up. Bales. I woke up this morning and there was all these alerts on my phone, and then I heard all this wind. I opened my door and there was leaves everywhere and a bunch of fallen debris off trees and stuff. So this is pretty crazy. I had no idea this was going on. Check that out. That's fallen tree number 1. I don't know where that came from. Where did that come from? What are you doing on my side of the road, fool? She was looking at the tree too, but she was on my side of the road. Doesn't matter, the grass gotta be mowed, right, Bales? The show must go on. I wasn't planning on recording today because I'm kind of sick and I just got back from Vegas and I just wanted to sleep in and edit a video and not record, but I woke up and there was just all this crazy stuff going on, so I decided we were gonna make a video. So I'm doing this video in 4K and we're gonna see how the 4K goes. This is my first time doing a 4K video on this camera, so I'm kind of excited about it. We got a straight up, just broken in half tree. Look at that. That is messed up, yo. We just got a straight up broken in half tree. And we got another one right there. These trees are all messed up. Just like a giant person came and started kicking them around. Wow. Let's turn the exposure up so you can see. See that? Just broken. All messed up. What do you think, Bales? You want to sniff it? Go ahead, sniff it. Does it smell good? Alright, now come back in because you're going to get hit. You're going to get hit with debris. Come on. Let's go. Honestly though, this neighborhood is still looking pretty good. We even got our Halloween spider webs still hanging out right there. No problemos. You know what though? I think I have a good idea of where we can go and we would have the best chance of seeing some stuff is on the side of the mountain. Alright, so I'm gonna head up to the side of the mountain and we're gonna see if we can see anything better. If you just look up there at the mountain, you can just see dust and dirt and everything. You can hardly even see the thing. So I think if we head up there, we might have a better chance of seeing something. Hope we don't get flipped over, Bales. I know, you wanna look out the window, but you can't. You can't, you're gonna get messed up if you look out there, Bales. I think I might have been wrong. I headed up the mountain. I mean, we got a couple fallen things like the basketball hoop, but I mean, if you look at the trees, they're not really blown around too bad and there's not stuff everywhere unless this guy picked it up and put it away. It doesn't really look too bad up here. So I don't know why I thought that. It would be worse up here. We do have a fallen American flag right there though. And I kind of want to go pick it up, but people are crazy around here about you entering their property because it's like $2 million, $3 million homes. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I hope they pick it up. I mean, clearly if they have one, they care about it, so I'm sure they'll pick it up. So there's where I took Bales up hiking that day, right up that hill right there. Anyways, I guess it's been settled. There's nothing bad going on up the hill, so we're gonna head back down the mountain and try and find some more stuff going on down there. See, the lower I get down the mountain, the more the trees are blowing around. There's a pool down there which is like destroyed, just full of stuff. We had these exact same kind of windstorms last year around the same time, except there was a huge fire going on, so it made the fire just like unstoppable, and they just had to wait till the windstorm was over and then they were able to get the fire out. But that was crazy. Hopefully no more fires start up this time or they're gonna be screwed. Whatever that is fell. I don't know what that is though. Honestly though, down here it doesn't look bad. It looks like nothing's even happening. Look how calm it is. Super calm. Stay there, Russ. I'll be right back, okay? Hey, how you doing? Is this where Suburban Delinquent comes and hangs out?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm a big fan of his videos. Wow, this is Bob. I've always wanted to meet Bob. Check it out. This is the coolest day of my life, man. You know what? We should leave him something. We're gonna leave Bob this puppy fisty boy, 5,000. All right, Jim. See you later. Thank you for waiting, Bales. I really appreciate that. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, it's a twist cap. I thought I was gonna be screwed. The Dad's Blue Cream Soda. I bet this guy's getting some good business today, doing some damage control, but there's just so many trees falling, I don't think they're gonna be able to get to them all today at least. You know, I kind of think palm trees are like safe during all this stuff because, I mean, think about it. There's just a little bit of leaves at the top and then it's just like a big aerodynamic trunk. The fact that I haven't seen a single palm tree falling over today kind of makes me think that I'm right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Right, Bells? Right? She says left. You know, it's almost time to come here and start getting some pumpkins with the bales. I did that last year, except we went to a farther one because, actually I don't remember why, but there was a reason. I think they might have been like out of pumpkins here or something like that. But we're gonna be going there soon with Bales and we're gonna be picking some pumpkins. And the Bales is gonna visit the sheep again, right Bales? You're gonna visit the sheepies? Yeah. The Bales was barking at the sheep or trying to get him or something last year. She was being naughty, so she better improve upon her attitude, right Bales? Hey, are you gonna improve? You know what, I'll let you stick your head out the window for a little bit, but if it starts to get too windy or stuff starts blowing around too much, you're gonna be sticking it back in, all right? All right, do you understand? That lasted for like 2 seconds. She was like, nope. I don't blame her. You're out of this world, Bales. You got a big old tongue. How'd you get such a big old tongue? Bales, can I eat your tongue for dinner? I'm not gonna do it because then it wouldn't be in your mouth anymore and it wouldn't be as cute. I think that right around here is where some of the worst of it happened. We got just pretty much everything fell over. Big old log right there. And then, I mean, just going down the line, there's stuff falling over, trees, bushes, everywhere. Everywhere, Bales. All right, let's go, come on. Let's go, we're going inside, come on, wrong way. Come on, let's go. Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, Bales. Boy, oh Bales. All right, come on, let's go, inside. Let's go. It is so windy, like right at my house. I think I'm in like the worst spot, which is crazy. Anyways, I kind of have a busy day with some editing to do because I got to get 2 videos out. One for the Papa Kleb and one for the Kleb. And all I want to do is sleep because I'm still recovering from Vegas. 3 days of Vegasing. But I got to get to work. And yeah, I got to worry about if a tree's going to be knocking down through my house. Luckily, I think they're all blowing that way, away from my house, so I should be good. Bales should be good. I was most worried this morning that when I was taking Bales for her morning walk, I didn't have my camera with me because I wasn't planning on vlogging today. But I had my phone and we were walking around and stuff was just like falling, like big branches and leaves and all kinds of stuff. And I was like, what if this like hits Bales in the head? You know, she'd be in some serious trouble, huh, Bales? Some serious trouble. So I was like, we're gonna go back, we're gonna get the camera and the keys. We're gonna take the car for a drive, for a spin. And that's what we ended up doing. All right, puppy smoothie time. The standard boy smoothie. I'm gonna be drinking it. It's gonna be tasty. It's gonna be so deluxe, so deliciously gargantuous. It's pretty good. Bales, you can't have any, sorry. She had some peanut butter though on the spoon. All right, well, I'm gonna sit back. I'm gonna enjoy my puppy smooth. I'm gonna be watching some TV. I'm gonna be editing some vids. And I guess I'm vlogging today. I don't even know, man. I got a question for you. Does she want some? Does your viewers want some? Yummies? Does she want some spilled yummies on the ground? Go, Bess, go! Go, Bess, go! Go, Bess, go! Go, Bess, go! Woohoo! Yummies, yummies, yummies in the tummies, tummies, tummies. Yummies, yummies, yummies in the tummies, tummies, tummies. Yummies, yummies, yummies in the taily, taily waggy. So I'm heading to the supermarket right now. I gotta get some food. My house has been empty for weeks because I'm just so lazy and I feel like being healthy after a long, good old stint in Vegas. So we're gonna go get something healthy. This looks healthy. Yeah, screw it. That'll do. I don't honestly even know what I got. I got some vegetable shish kebab looking things. Why is it not focusing? Focus, yo, focus. Yeah, I don't know. Do I have to like grill these things or do I just eat them? I have no idea. What's going on, Viz? How you doing? Why are you so blurry, yo? Come on, camera. What's going on? What are you doing, Viz? Alright, so this says ingredients needed: salt and pepper. And I'm like, yo, I don't have that kind of stuff. I should have read the back. Although, like, come on, how do I need salt and pepper? Can I just eat it like that? Like, I think I like all of these things. I feel like I could just eat this raw. I don't even need salt and pepper, no vegetable oil. However, I'm still gonna cook this up and I'm gonna use the vegetable oil. We're gonna see how it tastes. 2 tablespoons. You know what? I just realized I'm missing all my cooking stuff. I had salt and I had pepper and I had all kinds of oil at my old house. And it's all gone. Like, I don't know where it is. Is it behind here? No. Is it down there? No. Is it up here? No. This is where it would be. So now I don't have any of that stuff that I need to cook it. So I guess, because I'm not going back to the store, I'm just gonna put it on here and we're gonna see what happens. Alright, there it is. It's probably not even gonna work. It's probably gonna ruin my food because you definitely need some oil in there to, like, you know, get it to not stick and stuff, get the juices flowing, but I don't know where that stupid stuff is. Yeah, I just did a final sweep around my entire house and I definitely don't have any of that stuff. So man, that was like 2 cabinets full of stuff, probably a couple $100 worth of stuff that I just don't know what I did with. It's not in my garage, it's not in my kitchen, it's not in my bathroom, it's not in there, it's not inside of bales. Well, it could be inside of bales. But yeah, it's just gone. Alright, so I just spent the past couple of minutes trying to get this lid on and it won't close. I've been trying to like smush it down and stuff. And I just realized, can I just take these off the stick? Right? I can still eat it like this. In fact, it'll probably be better like this. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm stupid. Yeah, there we go. Papa Kleb, the chefferoni and cheese. Right, Bales? Right, Bales? Can you confirm that I'm right? Do you want to roll over? Oh, I know, that's what you want to do. You just want to roll over so bad, huh? It's your favorite thing to do. Alright. Alright, good girl. Why is nothing happening? Why? It's on 4. I figured that was like a good saute temperature. I'm starting to text friends and ask them for help because I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know, if I don't figure something out soon, I'm just gonna eat it. I'm just gonna eat it. I know that I'm supposed to have butter in here and oil and salt and all that stuff, but here I am, you know what, it's kinda working. Bales, can you just come help me? Alright, so now it's been like probably 20 minutes and things aren't going so well anymore. I think it's all just dried up at this point and I think I totally ruined it. So I need to go and buy some vegetable oil so that I can do this right next time, but I'm not gonna waste it. I'm gonna eat it. Honestly, if my mom whipped something up like this when I was a kid, I wouldn't be buying it for 1 second. I'd be taking my no dessert or my whooping or whatever I needed just to get out of eating this. But here I am, I'm being healthy, and look, Bales even wants some, which is such a compliment. Do you want some? You can't have some. I don't think she can have like some of this stuff. I don't think she can have onions. Like, it's pretty good. I can definitely eat it. And if I can eat it and it's healthy, it's a success, right? You can't have any. Oh, the Bales is a stretcher. The Bales is a stretcher's wetchers.